Hello, Namaste. This video is brought to you by Gagan Online Academy. In this video, I am going to present a chapter of class 9, Polynomials. Polynomials is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression which contains constants, variables, and exponents. These are combined by some mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here, one confusion is present in the minds of the students. That is, if I say 3, is 3 a polynomial or not? So, most of the students they say 3 is not a polynomial. No, 3 is also a polynomial. In the definition I told you, polynomial means, poly means many. Poly means many. Nomial means terms. So polynomial means many terms. Here most of the students get confusion. If I say, is 3 a polynomial or not? 99% students will say it is a polynomial. That is absolutely wrong. 3 is a polynomial. So that thing I am going to give you clarity. Carefully observe the screen. Now I am writing some expressions. Carefully observe them. Say 3 x minus 3, 3x square minus 5x plus 6, and 3xy 4yz plus 7. The expression which I write on the screen all are examples of polynomials. These all are polynomials. I told you in the beginning, poly means many, nomial means terms. So we are calling these as polynomials, but they don't have, but the first one is not having many terms. So it is, though it is having single term, this is also considered as polynomial. So 3 is a polynomial. So here in the second example, x minus 3. X minus 3, in x minus 3, this is algebraic expression. Here we have two terms. See, x is one term and 3 is one term. These English letters are called as variables. Variables x, y, z or ABC. All English letters are considered as variables. I am writing. Sorry for the interruption. Variables. Or you can call them as literals also. All English letters are called literals or variables. Numbers 3, 5, 7, these are constants. Numbers are called constants because they don't be changed. Their value won't be changed. 3 means 3 only. There is no change in its value. Whereas x, y, z, a, b, c, these are variables. They will be changed. We have to substitute different values for x. Sometimes we take x is equal to 1, sometimes 2, like that. We can replace any value in the place of x. That's why they are called variables. Vary means changing. See in the third example, 3x square minus 5x plus 6. It has three terms, 3x square minus 5x 6. 3x square is one term and 5x is one term, 6 is one term. Here terms are separated by symbols. See here minus sign and plus sign. Then in this fourth example, we have three terms. First term is 3xy, second term is 4yz, and last term is 7. These all are called terms. So here, though in the first example, 3 is given. 3 is also, see 3 is a number. We think that it is only constant. It is not a polynomial. This is also polynomial. Remember, one term, constant term also considered as polynomial. This is also considered as algebraic expression also. 3 can be written as 3 into 1. 3 1 is 3. So 3 into 1 can be written as x to the power of 0. So here it becomes algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression which contains numbers like 1 2 3 4 like that, variables x y z, these are combined by symbols, signs, plus minus, multiplication, division, and they have exponent also. Exponents I will write. Exponent in our language, simple language, powers. See here in 3x square, this 2 is exponent of x. Exponent of x. See, exponent of x is 2, or power of x is 2. So now I am defining this polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains variables, constants, and exponents combined by using mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I hope you understood clearly. Here, one exception is present, that is division by variable is not allowed. Division by variable is not allowed. I will make it clear by taking some examples. Suppose here 2 by x is present. 2 by x. See, this is number. In denominator we have x. That means we are dividing by x. So this is not allowed. This is not considered as polynomial. 2 by x is not a polynomial. In the same manner, if I write root x plus 5, this is not a polynomial. The exponent of x, see, whenever we have square root of x, we write in radical form as 1 x to the power of 1 by 2, right? Square root of x, that is written as x to the power of 1 by 2. So here exponent is 1 by 2. This is a fraction. So fractions must not be there in the exponent. Exponents must be non-integers, or you can remember as whole numbers. Here, whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and so on. So exponent must be a whole number. These are the conditions to become an algebraic expression, a polynomial. I hope you understood clearly. Now I will write its definition. Polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains variables, constants, and exponents, and composed of are combined using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Except, here remember this condition, except division by a variable is not allowed. This is the definition of polynomial. one more thing I want to say, that is, suppose 2x to the power of minus 2 plus 5x minus 6. This is not a polynomial since it is having negative exponent. Here exponent is minus 2, negative number. So exponent must be non-negative number. Non-negative number means whole number. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, so on. Here negative number is given. So that's why this is not a polynomial. These polynomials have special names based on number of terms and based on degree. Now let us discuss based on terms. Based on terms, polynomials are special are having special names. See here 2x. This is a single term. So we call it monomial. It contains only one term, 2x. Don't think as 2 is one term and x is one term. No, 2x is together one term. So 2x is one term. If any expression contains only exactly one term, that is monomial. If I write 2x minus 5, here two terms are there. Terms always separated by plus minus, right? See here minus. So 2x is one term, 5 is one term. So it is having exactly two terms. So we can say it is binomial. Binomial. If I write 3x cube minus 5x plus 3, this algebraic expression contains three terms. 3x cube is one term, 5x is one term, 3 is one term. So it is called trinomial. Tri means two, three. Bi means two. Mono means single. So the algebraic expression having one term, that is also called polynomial. If it is having exactly two terms, that is binomial, also called as polynomial. All are polynomials. If it is more than 10 terms, 5 terms, any number of terms, though it is having one term or any number of terms, that is considered as a polynomial. Based on degree, based on degree, we classify these polynomials. I am writing here 7. Its degree is 0. Degree of 7 is 0. Here, degree means here highest power of exponent. Highest power of exponent. See here, there is no exponent. 7 can be written as 7 1 is 7. 7 1 can be written as x power 0. Now, this 7 is equal to 7x to the power of 0. Now, degree is exponent of variable. Here, variable is x, its exponent is 0. So, degree of this is 0. So, whenever degree of the expression is 0, we call it constant polynomial. Constant. Constant polynomial. Now, if I write 3x plus 1, this is linear polynomial because its degree is 1. See on x, if there is here 1 is present, x means 1x. So we can put 1. So this is linear polynomial. Its degree is 1. Linear polynomial. Now I am writing 3x square minus 5x plus 6. This is also a polynomial. Now we are putting one name based on degree. See here degree. On x we have exponent 2. On x here 1 we have. Maximum exponent is 2. So its degree is 2. Degree is. So if the degree of this expression is 2, this is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. 4x cubed minus 5x square plus 7. Now, highest power of variable x is, in this case is 3. Highest power is 3. So, this degree of this expression is 3. It is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. If 4x power 5x power 4 minus 6x plus 7, right, minus 8x cubed. Now highest exponent of variable x is 4. Here 4, here 1, here exponent is 3. But maximum exponent is, highest exponent is 4. So its degree is 4. This is called quartic polynomial. Quartic polynomial. If degree of expression is 5, suppose if degree of an expression is 5, then that polynomial is called fintic polynomial. Fintic, fintic polynomial. Okay, no need of learning other polynomials. Just these names are enough. Let us have a discussion on degree and coefficient. Degree of a polynomial. Highest exponent of variable is called degree of the given polynomial. To understand, I am writing some examples. See here 4x square minus 3x plus 6. 7x square y plus 3y square z minus 6x to the power of 5 and y z cube. Now I am writing here 7x cube minus 8x to the power of 4 plus 7x to the power of 9. 3x minus 5. See, 4x square minus 3x plus 6, it is a polynomial. To say its degree or it is also known as order, order, order or degree, both are same meaning, having same meaning. 4x square minus 3x plus 6. Here, this expression is having a variable x. So, this is a polynomial in variable x. We have to say like this. This is a polynomial in variable x. This is a polynomial of degree 2 in variable x. See here, variable is x. To identify the degree of the polynomial, we have to put focus on the exponent of the variable. Here, English letter x, x is variable here. So on x, on the top of x, we have 2. Here, there is no number means we have to consider as 1. So highest among these 2 and 1, 2 is the highest number, highest exponent. So degree of this expression is 2. We can write it as degree 4x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 2. In the second expression, we are having different variables. Here x and y variables, y z variables, here x y z. Three variables are there in the third term. Here two variables are present in the second term. In the first term also we have two variables. So now it is a polynomial in three variables. Here x, y, z. Three variables are. Now first try to find degree of each term. So degree of 7x square y. So only we have to take exponent of variables only to get degree. So 2 here 1 y is there. So 2 plus 1 3. So degree of this first term is 3. Second term 3y square z. So exponent of y is 2 plus exponent of z is 1. 2 plus 1 3. Next, third term 6 x to the power of 5 y z cube. So exponent of x is 5, exponent of y is 1, exponent of z is 3. Add all these numbers, we get 9. Out of this 3, 9 and 3, highest power is 9. So degree of this expression is 9. Finally, see here, exponent of x is 3 here, here 4, here 9. Out of these exponents, largest exponent is 9. So degree of this polynomial is 9. Next, degree is 9. Now see here, one variable is there, one variable x, its degree is 1. Here x on x, we have to write 1. If there is no number means there is 1. One x is present, so that's why we write 1. For 7, I am asking you degree. What is degree of 7? In the beginning, I told you a constant term also called as polynomial. It is considered as polynomial. See, degree must have one variable. Here, variable is missing. So, I am creating a variable with this. 7 is written as 7 into 1. So, 7 in the place of 1, I am writing x to the power of 0. Now, it has a variable. So, on this, what is exponent of x is 0. So degree of 7 is 0. Now let us know about coefficient. Let us consider one polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus, here degree of this equation, degree of this polynomial is 2, because highest power of variable x is 2. So its degree is 2. I want to know coefficient. See, coefficient of x square. Whatever the number before the variable. See here, x square is variable. Before this x square, we have the number 4. So this will be our coefficient. So coefficient of x square is 4. If I ask you coefficient of x, so before x, what I have? Minus 5. With the sign we have to say. So before x we have minus 5. So coefficient of x is minus 5. One more example, 3x square 4xy plus 7x square yz. Now I am asking you coefficient of y. See, coefficient of y. See, here is y. Before this y, what is left? That together is considered as coefficient. So coefficient of y is 4x. If I ask you coefficient of y in the term 7x square yz, I am asking in this term. For this term, I am asking coefficient of y in the term 7x square yz. So here y, put focus on y. So remaining things are 7x square and z. So 7x square z. Whatever the letters are left, that entire thing is considered as coefficient of that particular thing. So coefficient of y for this term is 7x square z. If I ask you coefficient of z, coefficient of z for this term 7x square yz. So leave z and write remaining all the things 7x square y. So this will become coefficient of that particular term. So in the next class, I will start solving questions from your textbook. Bye.